event of a fire, it is important to know proper procedures to follow because fire is growing fast. Fire safety is nothing but a collection of activities to reduce the fire damages. Fire risk assessment will be the basic control measure of the fire safety design, and when it comes to modeling, it is one of the effective engineering methods for the fire safety design. Objectives of the research: identify different fire sources in the manufacturing laboratory and their nature, and perform a fire risk assessment for the manufacturing laboratory. Identify different modeling methods for the fire and evacuation process simulation and perform a fire scenario simulation. Analyze the smoke propagation and the smoke visibility for selected fire hazard simulation and check the feasibility of the evacuation. And suggest fire prevention action plan for the manufacturing laboratory. Methodology of the research project. First one, fire risk assessment. Then identify highest risk rating hazard and simulate it in the Pyrosim. Next, analyze the smoke propagation and smoke visibility. And next, simulate the evacuation process in the Pathfinder and check the feasibility of the evacuation. Suggest fire prevention action plan. Pyrosim is a graphical user interface for the fire dynamic simulator. Also, Pathfinder was developed for the urgent-based evacuation simulation. Pyrosim and Pathfinder has better coupling capabilities. According to the fire risk assessment, oxyacetylene gas-related accidents has the highest risk rating. Then calculated the heat release rate for a acetylene gas leakage fire and simulate it in the Pyrosim. This is the smoke spread throughout the fire flow at different times. This is the 3D results of carbon dioxide volume fraction during the fire. The smoke visibility calculates the distance a light sign can be seen in the smoke-filled environment. According to the results, the smoke visibility in the welding room will be almost zero at the 20th second. Therefore, occupants should evacuate from the welding room at least within 16th second. This is the results of Pathfinder simulation. Occupants' movement at different times shows that the occupants in the welding room will evacuate within 10 seconds. Then the evacuation process is safe. This is the 3D visualization of evacuation. And occupants evacuate in different rooms at different times. Fire prevention action plan. In the laboratory, the northeast fire exit leads to some obstructions. To evacuate, an evacuation route should clear without any obstruction. Internal doors should clearly label with fire safety and fire exit notices, and they should clearly visible. Build emergency fire exit doors. Develop a trained staff to assist in an emergency. Establish an automatic fire detection system with fire alarms. Provide suitable fire safety training to employees, students, and conduct fire drills periodically.